Okay, I am doing some work on Ursula today, and my idea is for her to have a multi-layered outfit. So I've got a short hoop skirt, and then she will have a long skirt over that, and then that is going to, I have this belt, it's like an elastic corset looking belt, and I'm going to attach wired ribbon to it. Although this says it's wired, it's not very, doesn't want to stay, so I might have to do some tacking of it. But for her tentacles, and then on top of that, because in the battle scene with King Triton, she gets it bigger. So my thought was to make a short piece with a waistband that will actually go underneath this little tutu that is going to have more tentacles attached to it, and then this will go underneath. And let me just pin that to kind of, all right, so that will be on a waistband, and then we will kind of gather all of this stuff into this, and this bottom edge, I'm thinking I will put some fishing line in and gather it up just so that it's sitting kind of below this belt. So all of her tentacles that are attached to the belt are going to be below this. And I'm thinking I might also attach some shorter tentacles on the outside here. But so then when she gets bigger, she'll have a little pull tab. She can pull the fishing line out, release this, and then more tentacles come out. That's what I'm thinking. And then I'm pretty much just gonna have this whole thing covered in tentacles. So the tutu won't, I mean, it'll be noticeable, but I think I'm gonna have, so I have this wired ribbon, this green, and this dark purple wired ribbon, which is different than the other one. And then I also have this gathered ribbon. So I thought, so it's not super heavy, but I might do some tentacles out of this too, this ribbon too, because I have a lot. So I'm working on getting these, I'm going to tack all of these tentacles to this tutu, and then it's going to have to sit on top of this belt, which I don't love. Maybe not the very front, but I think it's going to have to, just so that the other tentacles stay underneath, because the other tentacles will be attached to this belt. But I'm liking the way this wired ribbon is behaving. I am not liking this one as much. It just doesn't have as much body, so I may just use smaller pieces of it. Like, just have like so that they, yeah, I mean, I don't think, I think that's fine. I think that will look okay. Just was hoping to have longer pieces of the sparkly one, but I think I might just do shorter ones, just kind of weave them in, intersperse them through. This one off. Attach that. It's like up at the top, it wants to flatten out, so I might just and I might just need to like tack it a little bit also to the tutu so it kind of stays in place. But I don't know, I think I like having the different types, and then like I said, add in these as well, just to make her as ostentatious as possible. Yeah, I think I like that. I'm definitely gonna do that. Okay, here is my proof of concept moment of truth for Ursula. So we have first layer is a hoop skirt, a short hoop skirt. And these are all just pinned on right now. I actually pinned all of these tentacles to the hoop skirt waistband, which might make it a little difficult to put this skirt over, but I had a reason, because I wanted them to attached. I didn't want to attach them to the skirt, basically. So then this skirt goes over it. Then this goes over that. So what I've done here is I've sewn some fishing line through, just kind of basted it through, and then this goes over that, and she should be able to get it on over her head. If not, we've got another issue, but we'll hope for the best for now. These are all just pinned on as well. So that goes there. And then going to pull this up. Now, I hope we've got enough room in here for all of these things. She's going to be a little beefy around the waist. So then we will pull this to cinch it up. So we'll need to keep this fairly long, but so then now when we're ready to transform, I'm pretty much going to have to just sew her into this every time. We're ready to transform, we just pull. She can do her arms, and this falls down, and then all of our extra tentacles come out. And it does work. So I just have to before every show I have to redo the fishing line, which I had to do when we did Cinderella as well. But so then that looks like she has gotten bigger and has more tentacles.